with the same beautiful look and durability as our top-selling Timberline HD Shingles. New GAF Timberline HDZ Shingles feature the Strike Zone nailing area, the largest in the industry. Designed for high visibility and quick installation to make accuracy easy. But just how easy? We took Timberline HDZ Shingles to Home Innovation Research Labs, an independent research laboratory in Maryland. The lab timed and measured as an unaffiliated roofing contractor installed our standard architectural shingles and Timberline HDZ shingles. The Timberline HDZ shingles with Strike Zone were fastened to the roof deck 30% faster. Fast is great. It saves time and labor. But how accurate was the nail placement? Home Innovation Lab techs inspected the roofs shingle by shingle. After counting and measuring thousands of nails, they found that the contractor placed 99.9% of the nails accurately for the Timberline HDZ shingles. GAF Timberline HDZ shingles with the Strike Zone nailing area. Accuracy made easy.